I recently moved back across the country, back into my old home here in Virginia, Richmond, Virginia to be exact. And I have a whole world of things to fix and do. Right now, I am getting back my old microwave that I had from before. It was actually sitting under my crawl space, so I just cleaned it off, and I noticed inside of here, oh, I can't flip this camera on, an iPhone camera. I noticed inside of here there's like little dusties or dirt, whatever. Hopefully not bugs. I hate bugs. Look at that wall, y'all. I gotta fix that too. My tenants did me wrong. But anyways, there's dirt in here. So I want to get in here and clean it. I'm not even gonna say like I'm OCD, because everyone should want their shit clean. But I know some people will be like, just buy a new one. No. Money don't grow on trees. If I got this one that works perfectly fine, I'm gonna use it. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm willing to try. So I see these screws. So I'm going to attempt to, let me unplug it. I'm gonna attempt to take off this casing. From what I see, it looks like you just take the screws out and then you just slide it off. Let's hope it's that easy. But this is what I want to do, Lord. Okay, I'm about to say, this don't look like it want to come off. One little screw. Let's hope the rest is that easy. But I'm going to clean as I go. Cleanliness is next to godliness. I be seeing videos where people be having roaches and shit in their microwave. I don't know how. Like, what the fuck? You gotta eat out that thing. Bed bugs and shit in their microwave. So I have my drill. I don't know if I introduced her yet. And it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws back here. I'm gonna take out. Oh Lord, this has a funny. This one has a funny head. I'm sure I have this one upstairs though. After I finish this, I'm gonna go upstairs and look in my tool bag and see if I can find the head for this. My best friend is an electrician. He actually just left here. I probably should have got him to help me. Uh-oh. Fuck. I didn't need to do that one because that is not on the black casing. Let me put it back in. That's my dryer. Okay, so these are out. Let me take this out. Oh Lord. There's 2 screws on this side, but only 1 on the other side. I'm gonna double check. Yo. as I'm doing this, my fucking tongue ring comes out in my mouth. So I'm gonna put that back in before I finish. These tongue rings are so annoying. I gotta go get new ones. And these weren't even cheap. These was like expensive ones. Alright, that's done. Be right back. This is where I keep my tools. It looks something like this, but it has an opening in the middle. Found a little bag to put my thingies, because so now I gotta come up with another plan. Oh my god, y'all, clearly y'all see I am trying everything. But yeah, I clearly did not have the right tool, and I was not finishing this today. I want to call my best friend. Be right back. Hey y'all. So listen, I know I should have on clothes, but I just be waking up feeling like doing shit. Ain't nobody got time for clothes these days. Shit. Alright, so I called my best friend over. He didn't have the right drill bit, so I had to go to, so the other day I went to Lowe's and I just went and bought a new drill bit set that I'm gonna return, by the way. But the type of bit is called a security bit. And on my microwave, they put 2 security bits on here. It makes sense, but damn, it's just a microwave. What the hell? So anyway, so here I am about to, oh shit, about to see if my little theory gonna work. About like removing this casing and cleaning out the inside of my microwave. Why is this board? Not everything has to be so complicated. They make it hard for us. Really? Really? What the hell? Okay, where is? Okay, now I need a flathead screwdriver. Oh, I can use this. Hopefully this works. This is a paint scraper. I don't know what it's called for real, but come on. So this has a, I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know, but this has a like a nail. Not a nail, but okay, I got it out. Okay, got it out. Is my counter wet? Okay, so okay, so I think we are gonna try this one. So this is how it looks. plug this up. I'm not fancy where I have the drill thingy that is wireless. I just buy what I can. Ignore my kitchen. It's a mess, y'all. I'm just basically moving back in, and my tenants kind of did me dirty and kind of left my house a mess. So I've been slowly getting it back to normal. And right now I have everything actually in my kitchen because my living room walls were messed up. So I couldn't set up my living room, but I just fixed my walls. I painted them. We had to sand, mud it, sand again, paint the walls. So this is my third coat on my walls, and I'm waiting for them to dry. But anyways, got it out, and it's coming right off. Yes. Okay. I hope I don't find no bugs. I hope I don't find no bugs in here, y'all. Anyone who knows me know I hate bugs. So let's see what's inside this microwave. I'm scared. The drill is unplugged. I'm gonna be a good citizen and put this drill bit. Oh no, I need to keep the drill bit in here because I have to screw it back on. But once I'm finished, I'm gonna be a good citizen, put the drill bit back in the case and return it. Yes, I am. So here we are. Let's see. Oh yay! Come right off. Please don't be no bugs in here. Please, universe, have my back. Have my back. Oh, y'all can't see. Okay, here's my microwave. Oh gosh, please. Oh, I can't take it off this, but it's okay because it's up. Really, I just need a brush because it's like grass and dirt and I don't know. It's not no real dirt, but I can't have nothing that I cook my food in. Oh shit, dirty. So this is the part that I noticed the dirt is in. I don't know why this isn't coming out. Oh, there we go. I don't know, but this part ain't coming off. Let me make it interesting so y'all can see the inside of a microwave. So this is the inside of the microwave. This is the dirt. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is the dirt I wanted to clean off. Yep. So I'm just gonna use this paper towel. I'm not gonna get in there with soap and water because I'm scared. But I wish this thing could come off. And to be honest, this shit is probably food, y'all. I wish it can come off. Now I do want to get in here with soap and water. Maybe I'm gonna use my sponge. I think this shit is food. Oh no, there's a spider web in there. Okay, well, I'm gonna vacuum it. Alright, vacuum. think a lot of this is food in here. But I do see spider webs. So this, it looks like this. This is what I'm gonna clean. But yeah, so I'm happy about that. Let's see what this says. I don't know none of this stuff means. My best friend is an electrician, and I'm so proud of him. But I'm pretty sure he knows what all this shit means. That shit over there say high, danger high. I ain't going over there. Nah. But I think this is like food. This color ain't really coming on. But it does make me feel better that I took this off and cleaned it. This side ain't bad. I wish my best friend was here to see this. I'll send him pictures. Y'all, I am a pool, like I'm not pool, but I'm always into like learning new shit and figuring shit out. So information excites me. It's like a blueprint inside this microwave. It says schematic diagram. Oh, spider webs up here. Okay. Oh. Interesting. Oh, spider webs. Eee. Just imagine how many microwaves and shit got spider webs in it. Just in general, just from like sitting in the house and shit. Just imagine. Nope, there's another one. Alright. Show y'all. Inside of the microwave. Nice and clean now. I was scared to touch pretty much anything because if the shit say danger and you see danger, you avoid it. Okay. Clean this off. But it makes sense, now that I think about it, it makes sense to put the security drill bit right there because that damn thing got all this electrical shit in it. And I don't know, kids, you know, you never know. You know, there might be a little teenager or somebody in the house that just discovered screws and screwdrivers and want to undo things and play with things, so they might just see some screws on the microwave or something and decide to want to play around and unscrew it, and then who knows, next thing you know, they electrocuted, you know. It might make me think and forget to unplug the microwave or some shit. And next thing you know, boom. So that makes sense to not have the average standard screw right there. That makes complete sense. So now I understand. But I think I'm gonna go ahead. Let's find another. Wait, I'm gonna go ahead and put the casing on. I can't wait to tell my friend I did this. I got a homegirl whose father is in pest control, and y'all don't know how many times she like sends me shit where people have like bugs and shit in their microwave. Well, they be having bugs everywhere, but one video, I might can find it. Somebody had bugs in their motherfucking microwave. Like, oh my god. That's why you can't eat at everybody's house. Even though I'm a fatty, I be eating at people's houses, but of course my friends. But that's why you can't eat at everybody's house. Oh shit. Okay. I don't even understand how shit even get that bad. Alright, so guys, clean your microwaves. Or buy a new one, but I don't think that's smart. Microwaves are expensive nowadays. Well, shit. Yeah, microwaves are expensive. I actually got this microwave as a housewarming gift. Thank goodness, because microwaves are expensive. I actually got 2 microwaves of the same brand. It was on my registry. And now my microwave is all clean. And now I can have peace of mind that my food is not being heated up with spider and bug residue. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm out.